The SPE-04 Plus, capable of handling up to 40 samples, is designed for SPE applications requiring large numbers of small volume samples. Samples are processed in 10 batches of 4, making it 4 times as fast as single-channel systems. If necessary, the system can also be connected to large volume samples externally. These features combined makes SPE-04 Plus suitable for handling food, biological and water samples.
In its simple touch interface, everything fits on one page. The 10 sample groups can be selected on the left. Different methods can be applied to each individual group. Select a method to see its steps displayed on the right.
Click to bring up the editing window. There are 2 inlet options. This is meant for the mixing of samples and solvents based on the ratio specified. You may use this for stepped gradient elution, online solvent mixing and internal standard addition. The SPE-04 Plus is also capable of delivering air and nitrogen. The outlet determines where your sample and solvents are going. It could be to the sample column, mixing chamber, collected fractions or waste.
The SPE-04 Plus can collect up to 2 fractions per sample in normal operation, and up to 10 fractions in multi-fraction mode.
To use the saved method, just pick it from the method list and apply it to the sample group. After selecting which sample groups to run, push Start to begin.
Sample and column groups are next to each other on the top tray for easy use and operation. The complex liquid handling is controlled by just 2 of our patented multi-channel valves.
When taking samples, the plunges move down at calculated increments. This ensures that only the tips are ever in contact with the samples. Users can add washing steps anywhere in the methods to clean the plunger tips.
For dirtier samples that should bypass the syringe pump, you can utilize the sample loop that can hold up to 1 milliliter of liquid. This allows the dirty samples to be directly extracted and injected into the SPE columns. Larger volume samples can be broken down into a series of 1 milliliter steps.
As the sample run progresses, the screen shows which step it's handling and displays the status at the bottom. Come back in a bit. The SPE-04 Plus shall continue with your samples.